Earlier, everyone was talking only and only about male pattern baldness in males. But these days, female pattern baldness means female androgenic alopecia has become very common in females. This female pattern baldness usually starts in two age group in females, either in 20s or 30s or in the late 50s after menopause. That's why Ludwig classification is being used to classify this female pattern baldness into three stages. The first stage is milder stage in which hair begins to thin in the center mid hair part in the crown area, but the frontal hairline remains absolutely intact. The second is stages, moderate stage, in which hair begins to thin more in the crown area and little scalp also becomes visible, but the frontal line remains intact. The third stage is advanced stage, in which hair gets thinned out a lot in the crown area and scalp becomes almost bald in females. Now, there are certain causes for this female pattern baldness. The first is family history of female pattern baldness. Second is chronic stress, whether it's psychological or physical. Third is chronic deficiency of iron, vitamin D, or B12 in females. Fourth is chronic less intake of protein or foods by the females. Or fifth is certain hormonal fluctuation conditions like pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, or in PCOS, hypo or hyperthyroidism. Or after certain intake of certain hormonal medicines like estrogen or oral contraceptive pills, or in chronic dandruff issues, or with certain hair styling treatments like hair straightening, hair smoothing, hair keratin, hair botox, or excessive heat application to hairs in blow dry. But you should not get worried. You should better consult a dermatologist, and we have wide range of options available for it, like topical minoxidil solution. If any hormonal condition is there, then intake of certain medications like spironolactone, flutamide, or finasteride, and certain in-clinic treatments like PRP treatment, GFC treatment, exosome treatments, along with red light treatment gives wonderful results in female pattern baldness.